Welcome to General Mathematics tutorial. Solving logarithmic inequality. Number 1. Rewrite the logarithms with the same base. Number 2. Check if the base is greater or less than 1. If b is less than 0 but greater than 1, interchange the inequality. If b is greater than 1, the inequality remains the same. Number 3. Ensure the logarithms are defined. This means x is greater than 0. Number 4. Solve for the solution set. Example number 1. Log 7x plus 6 base 9 is greater than log 2x minus 2 base 9. Mudiritso na ta sa step 2. It's because it's written with the same base. Step 2. Check if the base is greater or less than 1. b is equal to 9. So, the base is greater than 1. The sign is greater than in a given. So, each side of equation should be put together with the inequality. Let's drop the base. 7x plus 6 is greater than 2x minus 2. Step 3. Ensure the logarithms are defined. This means x is greater than 0. We indicate that there is left equation and right equation that surrounds the inequality sign greater than. Left. The first step is 7x plus 6 is greater than 0. So, second step niya, kay ang positive 6, ibali nato sa pikas na side. So, it will be 7x greater than negative 6. The positive 6, it will be turned to negative 6. Third step, ang ato manggipangita kay si x, so, we put 7 each side. So, it will be x is greater than negative 6 over 7. Right. Step 1. 2x minus 2 is greater than 0. So, sa step 2 niya, ang negative 2, ibaling na to sa pikas na side. So, it will be 2x is greater than 2. Negative 2, it will be turned to positive 2. Sa step 3 niya, kay atong gipangita kay si x raman, so we divide 2 each side. So, it will be, sa step 3, x is greater than 1. Bakit 1? Kay 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So, x is greater than 1. Step 4. Before we get the solution set, let's find x from the step 2 equation. 7x plus 6 is greater than 2x minus 2. So, sa second step, kay itapad nato ang magkaparihan ng mga variables. Sa left side ang atong unahon. Si 7x na nanatiling positive 7x is negative 2x. Nganong negative 2x man? Kay si 2x na naa sa right side gikan, kung mabalhin siya sa left side, magiging negative 2x. So, it will be 7x minus 2x. So, naman siya inequality sign na greater than. So, greater than. Negative 2, anin na ta sa right side. Negative 2, it will be copy. Pero ang gikan na positive 6 sa left side, mahimo siyang negative 6 sa right side. So, it will be sa step 2, 7x minus 2x is greater than negative 2 minus 6. Third step. Sa step 2 gikan na equation, 7x minus 2x sa left side, kung isolve nato ni siya, mahimo siyang 5x. So, greater than sa right side na si negative 2 minus 6, kung isolve nato po ni, kay negative 8 man. So, ang equation nato sa step 3 kay 5x is greater than negative 8. Fourth step. Ato namang pangitaon kay si x raman, so we divide each sides by 5. So, it will be 5x over 5 is greater than negative 8 over 5. Sa left side na si 5x over 5, ato man ni siyang i-crush out kay tungod may taon naman nato si x. So, it will be sa fifth step, x is greater than negative 8 over 5. Therefore, the solution set is x is an element of a real number such that x is greater than 1. Example number 2. Log 4x minus 8 base 6 is less than 4. Step 1. Rewrite the logarithms with the same base. So it will be log 4x minus 8 base 6 is less than log 6 to the power of 4 base 6. Step 2. Check if the base is greater or less than 1. B is equal to 6, so the base is greater than 1. The sign is less than in the given, so each side of equation should be put together with the inequality. Let's drop the base. So it will be 4x minus 8 is less than 2, 1,296. Step 3. Ensure the logarithms are defined. This means x is greater than 0. We indicate that there is left equation and right equation that surrounds the inequality sign less than. Left. 4x minus 8 is greater than 0. So, sa step 2 niya, kasi 4x is greater than 8. Ngano greater than 8? Kasi negative 8 nagikan sa left side, kung ibalin na to sa pikas na side, mahimo na siya positive 8. Then sa third step niya kay ato ramang gipangita si extra man, so we put 4 each sides. So it will be x is greater than 8 over 4. Kay si 8 over 4, pwede pa man siya ma-divide sa ikaupat na step. So it will be x is greater than 2. Right. 1,296 is greater than 0. Dili naman ni siya ma-solve na to kay mao naman po ni ang iyang answer. Step 4. Before we get the solution set, let's find x from the step 2 equation. So it will be 4x minus 8 is less than 1,296. Sa step 2 niya, kay mahimo siyang 4x is less than 1,296 plus 8. Ano plus 8? Kay si negative 8 gikan sa left side, kung ibalhin nimo sa right side, mahimo siya positive 8. So, sa third step na pod, it will be 4x is less than 1,304. Nagikan giad si 1,296 plus 8. Step 4 niya, kay ato ramang pangitaon jud si x, so we put 4 each sides. So it will be 4x over 4 is less than 1,304 over 4. Sa pag-abot sa step 5, i-crush out nato si 4 sa left side. So it will be x is equal to 326. Ngano 326? Kay gi-divide nato si 1,304 by 4. Therefore, the solution set is x is an element of a real number such that x is less than 2 but greater than 326.